Okay, good day to everyone. So our topic for today is about the basic general rules of road use and conduct. So in the Philippines, the traffic rules are based entirely on the general rules of road use and conduct, which also include the general prohibitions and restrictions. Okay. It is based on the Chapter 4 of Articles 1 to 5 of the Republic Act 4136 that comprehensively discuss the traffic rules that is being observed in the Philippines. So, in the speed limit or other rules on speeds, any person driving a motor vehicle on the highway shall drive the same at a careful and prudent speed, not greater nor less than is reasonable and proper. Hindi kinakailang masyadong mabilis ang pagpapatakbo if you are in the highway because it might endanger the life or it might lead to an accident. Okay? So, the maximum allowable speeds, okay, under Republic Act 4136, okay, as you can see, the maximum allowable speeds in an open country roads with no blind corners, not closely bordered by habitations, it is 80 km per hour for motorcycles and passenger cars and 50 kilometers per hour for trucks and buses. On through streets or boulevards, clear traffic with no blind corners when designated. 40 kilometers per hour for passenger cars and motorcycles, and 30 kilometers per hour for trucks and buses. Okay. And on the city or municipal street with light traffic when not designated through streets, 30 kilometers per hour for passenger cars and motorcycles, the same with trucks and buses, and 20 kilometers per hour for motorcycles, passenger cars, and trucks and buses if in the true crowded streets approaching intersection, malapit sa intersection and blind corners or passing school zone. So this is the allowable speed limits under Republic Act 4136. But there is the exemption. There are exemptions to the speed limit. Okay. So the rate of speed as prescribed in Republic Act 4136 shall not apply to the following. Okay. First is physician or his driver when the former responds to emergency calls. Pag mayroong pupuntang emergency, ang isang doktor. The driver of hospital ambulance on the way to and from the place of accidents or other emergency. Any driver bringing a wounded or sick person for emergency treatment to hospital, clinic. Okay. The driver of motor vehicle belong to the armed forces while in use for official purposes in times of riot, insurrection, or invasion. A driver of motor vehicle when he or his passengers are in pursuit of a criminal. Okay. And a law enforcement officer who is trying to overtake a violator of law, and the driver is the driver officially operating a motor vehicle of any fire department, as provided that exemption shall not be construed to allow useless or unnecessary fast driving of drivers aforementioned. Okay, so these are the exemption of speed limit. Okay. So what is the uniform speed limits throughout the Philippines? Ito na I have discussed earlier the uniform speed limits, the maximum allowable speed limits in the Philippines that no provincial, city, or municipal authority shall enact or enforce any ordinances or resolution specifying maximum allowable speed other than those by Republic Act 4136. Ito siya. Okay. So what is lateral placement? When we say lateral placement, it means the proper positioning of a motor vehicle while traversing on traffic way or while on park. So in the Philippines, unless a different course of action is required in the interest of the safety and the security of life, persons, and property, or because of unreasonable difficulty of operation in compliance herewith, every person operating a motor vehicle or animal drone vehicle on a highway shall pass to the right. Remember this, every person operating a motor vehicle or an animal drone vehicle on a highway shall pass to the right when meeting persons or vehicles going to the same direction. And when turning to the left in going from one highway to another, every motor vehicle shall be conducted to the right of the center of the intersection of the highway. Okay, kaya kung makikita ninyo, lagi tayong nasa right. Okay, but for pedestrians, they should walk on side the streets to the left facing to the oncoming traffic. Kapag kayo ay naglalakad diyan sa highway, dapat to the left naman kayo. Bakit sa left kayo? Para nakikita ninyo yung mga oncoming na sasakyan. Okay. On the other hand, motor vehicles should be parked only on designated areas and so properly parked without encroaching the parking stall and the space or another vehicle. So as you can see, this is the proper positioning while traversing pag nasa highway kayo. Okay, this is parallel parking, and this is the proper placement while parked diagonally. Okay, wag nating pag nagpa-park tayo diagonally, wag nating sasakupin yung mga lines kasi yan na yung mga parang barrier na hanggang diyan lang tayo na. Okay? So overtaking and passing. So what is the exemption of overtaking or passing? So in overtaking another vehicle, a driver should pass at a safe distance to the left of the vehicle being overtaken. So pag mag-overtake tayo, it should be on the left of the vehicle being overtaken and shall resume driving on the right side of the road only after passing clear of the overtaken vehicle. Okay? Pag nalampasan mo siya, then go back to your lane. Okay? So the exemption is on the highways with two or more lanes where traffic goes in one direction, another vehicle may be overtaken to the right. Kapag ito ay with two or more lanes, okay? For example, 4 lanes to, may dalawa pa dito, you can overtake on the right. That is the exemption. Okay? In overtaking and passing, the driver to give way to overtaking vehicles. So kapag kayo ay may nag-overtake sa inyo, andyan napakaliwanag na give way. Okay? Hindi yung o-overtaken ka is bibilisan mo rin yung patakbo mo. Hindi po pwede yun. Okay? The driver of a motor vehicle about to be overtaken must give way to the overtaking vehicle and shall not increase his speed until the overtaking vehicle has fully passed. That is under Section 40 of Republic Act 4136. Okay. So what is the restrictions of overtaking and passing? Okay. The restriction is to avoid the accident or any unusual incidents. Overtaking and passing on the following places are restricted. Okay? Pinagbabawal na mag-overtake. Okay? Saan? Letter A, to the left side of the center lane of a highway in overtaking another vehicle proceeding in the same direction unless such left is clearly visible. Huwag kang mag-overtake kapag may mga nakakasalubong. And is free for oncoming traffic for sufficient distance ahead to permit safely overtaking. Okay? Next is when approaching the crest of a grade o kurbadahan. Okay, nor upon the curve, lalong for example is pataas yung paakyat kayo, huwag kang mag-overtake kasi hindi mo alam kung meron kayong kasalubong sa kabilang banda, or in the curve in the highway where the driver's view along the highway is obstructed within the distance of 500 feet ahead. Okay, except on highway having 2 or more lanes for movement of vehicles on in one direction. And next is any railway grade crossing malapit kayo sa mga riles ng tren, nor at an intersection of highways unless such intersection or crossing is controlled by traffic signal or traffic officer. And between any points indicated by placing an official temporary or caution signs, mayroon kayong nakitang mga caution signs, okay? No overtaking, huwag kang mag-overtake. Or in any no passing or overtaking zone. These are the restrictions in overtaking and passing. Next is the right of way. What are the rules on right of way? Okay. So the principle refers to the legal or customary precedence or the what we call priority in place or time which allows one vehicle to cross or pass in front of another. So the concept of right of way is important to understand since the law never really grants the right of way. So the law simply states when the right of way must be yielded. Sino ba yung mas may karapatan? Okay? The right of way can be used when the law permits its use by requiring that others must yield the right of way to you. But failure to yield the right of way leads to crashes in all states. Okay? Nagkakaroon tayo ng aksidente kapag hindi natin inobserve yung right of way. Okay? But the failure, sinasabi nilang failure kapag hindi tayo nagbigayan, marahil magkakaroon ng aksidente. Okay? So, the rules of right of way under section 42 and 44 of RA 4136 provides the rules on giving the right of way. Okay, in case of two vehicles approaching or entering an intersection at the same time, the driver of the vehicle on the left shall yield the right of way. However, the driver of any vehicle traveling at unlawful speed forfeits this right. Okay. So as you can see in the picture, so the green vehicle ay meron siyang right of way. As you can see as you can read in this PowerPoint presentation that the driver, okay, of the vehicle on the left shall yield the right of way. Okay? Pero kung mas mabilis itong red, okay, ang sabi diyan is, however, the driver of vehicles traveling at an unlawful speed forfeits this right. Okay? So next is in the case of vehicles approaching but has not yet entered the intersection, okay, its driver shall yield the right of way to vehicles already within such intersection. So kung makikita niyo nakapasok na yung blue vehicle than the green vehicle. So ang may right of way diyan is yung blue vehicle. Okay? Or turning therein to the left across the line of travel of the first mentioned vehicle under section 42 paragraph B of RA 4136. Okay? In case of a vehicle on highway within the business or residential district, its driver shall yield the right of way to pedestrians. Okay? May karapatan ng mga pedestrian dito. Okay? Shall yield the right of way to pedestrian crossing the highway within a crosswalk except at intersections where traffic is regulated by peace officers or traffic signals. But if there is no crosswalk, pedestrians shall yield the right of way to vehicles on the highway. Okay. So next is exceptions to the right of way rules. Okay. In the exceptions, the right of way rules do not apply in the case of the following: of a vehicle entering from a private road or drives, the right of way is in favor of all vehicles utilizing the highway. Lalabas ka sa bakuran ninyo, wala kang right of way dyan, kundi ang may right of way is yung mga sasakyang nasa highway. Okay? The driver of a vehicle upon the highway shall yield the right of way to police or fire department. Okay. Kapag lalabas yung mga ambulansya, mga police cars, fire, sila yung may right of way. The driver of a vehicle entering a through highway or stop intersection. Okay? Kapag may nakita kang stop, huminto ka. Okay? Kasi sila as you can see in the PowerPoint presentation, mayroon siyang stop sign dito. So ang may right of way is itong blue vehicle, hindi ikaw. Kasi ikaw yung may stop sign in the intersection. Okay? So there is the what we call the starting, stopping, and turning rules. Okay, so any driver or the driver of any motor vehicle on a highway before starting, stopping, and turning from a direct line shall first see that such movement can be made safely, and if pedestrian is affected by such movement, he shall give clearly an audible signal by sounding the vehicle's horn, okay, bumusina. So in signaling, when the other motorists are affected, okay, whenever the operation of any other approaching or following may be affected by such movement, the driver making the movement shall give a signal to the other driver of his intention to make such movement. Okay? For example, lilipat ka sa kabilang lane, okay? You need to make a signal. Kaya nga mayroon kang mga flasher, mga flashing signal left and right kapag lilipat ka sa kabilang linya. For example, dito sa picture na to, lilipat siya sa kabilang lane, sa left lane. Okay? Kailangan mong mag-flasher to the left. At tingnan mo kung may sumusunod sa iyo, kung tingnan mo sa mga side mirrors. Okay? As you can see, kaya nga may ito yung silbi ng salamin dun sa harap ng sasakyan para makita mo yung sasakyan na kung may sumusunod sa iyo or wala. And the side mirror and also this the flasher. Okay? And aside from mga flasher ninyo, mga signal light ninyo, meron din tayong tinatawag na hand signal. So the required signal shall be given by means of extending to the hand or arm beyond the left side of a vehicle or any approved mechanical or electrical signal device. So when you make a signal, hand signals, so pag left turn, this is left turn. When you make a right turn, ganito yung hand signal ng right turn, and when you want to stop, ito yung hand signal ng hand signal. Hindi kagaya ng ginagawa ng mga tricycle driver na paa yung ginagamit pag magle-left turn. Okay? So what is the normal procedure in making a right turn? Okay. So the following are the rules to be observed in making correct turning to the right from 4-lane street to a 4-lane street. Okay. First is you need to signal your intention to turn right with your turning signal light or a hand signal at least 100 feet before you intend to make your turn. So napakaliwanag na 100 feet, dapat mag-signal ka na. Okay? So hindi yung saka ka lang magsisignal pag paliko ka na or magra-right turn ka na. So stay on the right lane of the road as you can see in the picture. Okay? Never make a turn from left lane. Okay. So an intersection with red traffic light, make a right turn only after coming to a full stop to make sure that no vehicle is coming from the left. And if there is a sign prohibiting a right turn unless the light is green, do not turn right while the red light is on. Okay, itong mga red light na yan is yung mga pag meron mga traffic light. Okay. So how about making a left turn? So in making a left turn, the normal procedure is the motor vehicles intending to left turn from a 4-lane street to 4-lane street should observe the following procedure. Okay. So signal your intention to turn left, or with your turning signal or hand signal at least 100 feet. Okay, before you make your turn, stay on the left. As you can see in the picture, okay, dito siya, hindi yung magle-left turn ka, sasakupin mo yung kabilang linya. Okay? Never make a left turn from the right lane and an intersection with the traffic light. Vehicles going straight have the right of way. Okay, kapag magle-left turn ka at mayroong sasakyan dito, okay, ang may sa right of way is ito. Okay? Wait for them to pass first before you left turn. Kapag may kasalubong ka, hayaan mo munang palampasin mo muna sila before you make your left turn. And then at an intersection with traffic light, make a left turn only when a green light is on or when there is a left turn light. Okay, how about making a U-turn? Okay, what is the normal procedure? Okay, the following is the recommended procedure in making U-turn onto lane. So make a right turn signal at least 100 feet before you start moving to the right side of the road. Okay? So at least 100 feet mag-signal ka na, okay, bago ka mag U-turn. Okay, stay as close to the right side as possible. Dito ka sa right side and come to a complete stop if necessary. Check behind the traffic. Okay. Also check for oncoming traffic on the other lane. Hindi kagaya nito na mayroong oncoming is mag-U-turn. Okay, magkakabanggaan. Okay, once all traffic has passed you, initiate a U-turn. Okay, see to it that you can make in a one sweep. Ano yung tinatawag na you can make it in one sweep? Dapat makukuha mo ang U-turn na yan, minsanan lang. Okay? If you have a long vehicle, look for an intersection or a wide section for the road and make a U-turn. Okay? Hindi kagaya nung nakikita nyo sa picture na nag-U-turn siya sa busy street. Magkakaroon ng traffic congestion. This is prohibited. Okay? At this point, you should be making U-turn if you know the turning radius of your vehicle. Okay? Dapat alam mo gaano baka haba yung sasakyan mo, yung dinadrive mo. Okay? Para makuha mo yung U-turn na yan. Okay? Do not move immediately to the middle of the road. Keep to the right side until you have increased your speed sufficiently to move to the middle of the lane. Kaya kung magmamaneha kayo ng mahahaba, huwag niyong gagayahin ito. Itong nag-U-turn na semi-trailer truck dito sa gitna ng busy highway. Or huwag niyong gawayahin ito na mayroong oncoming vehicle is mag-U-turn kayo agad. Okay? Siguraduhin ninyong clear yung daanan, walang paparating at tingnan ninyo rin yung likod ninyo baka may mga sumusunod sa inyo. Okay. So the make a U-turn on a 4-lane highway. Okay. So this is the normal procedure. Check for traffic behind you and indicate your intention when a left turn signal. Okay, this is the correct U-turn in 4-lane highway. Okay, kapag nandito ka, dito ka papasok. That is the correct turning. Okay, clear the other side for oncoming traffic and initiate your turn as soon as it is clear and do not come to complete stop. Okay, straighten out on the right lane and begin gaining speed. As soon as you have reached the relative safe speed, signal your intention to move to the fast lane, okay, with a left turn signal and move to the fast lane as soon as you are at the fast enough to hold up traffic moving in the same direction. Okay, this is the correct left turn and this is the correct right turn. Okay. So how about the rights and duties of pedestrian? So pedestrian have the right to occupy the or pass on spaces or portions of traffic way allocated for them, like crossing on the pedestrian's lane and passing on the sidewalks or catwalks. Okay, as you can see in the picture. So pedestrians as part of the traffic system, their fundamental duty is to observe and obey all traffic rules and regulation. This is the fundamental duty of pedestrians. Observe and obey all traffic rules and regulation. Okay. While the motorists should also know the rights of the pedestrians so that they will not be using the portion of the traffic way allocated for the pedestrians for parking purposes. Pag mag-park kayo, huwag kayong mag-park doon sa pedestrian crossing or pedestrian lane. Kasi tawiran yan ng tao. Okay. So, what are the general parking rules and similar regulation? So, motor vehicles should park only on areas specifically designed for parking. Magparada lang kayo sa mga specified parking areas, and all accidents are not caused while vehicles are being driven, and a park vehicle may create an accident or it may kill someone or destroy property before leaving your vehicles. Set the brakes and pull the gear in low or reverse, and park position and remove the key. Ito yung mga gagawin ninyo habang bago kayo mag-park. Before leaving your vehicle, bago kayo umalis sa sasakyan nyo, is set the brakes, especially the hand brakes. Pull the gear in low or reverse. Okay, itulak ninyo yung cambio from reverse or park. And position. Okay, and remove the key. Okay, tanggalin yung susi pag alis kayo sa sasakyan. Okay, so this will prevent your car from rolling down an incline and will also prevent car from pushing your car. So in parking cities, especially in cities and in towns, unless otherwise directed by city or municipal ordinance, a motor vehicle will be parked parallel and within 12 inches of the curb. So for additional precaution, while parking, it must observe the following. When you park downhill or without curb, turn wheels to the right. Ito siya. Pag downhill, pababa, you need to turn your wheels to the right. Kung makikita niyo, naka-turn yung kanyang gulong to the right. While uphill, okay, from curb to the left. Ito siya. Pag uphill, yung pataas, okay, yung gulong ay naka-turn left. So, uphill without curb, ito, turn the wheels to the curb. Okay, downhill with no curbs, ito din siya. Kung makikita nyo sa picture. So, for safety precaution lang yan. Okay, you need to turn right or left yung gulong sa harap. Okay. So, how about in parking on highway? So, parking on rural roads, full entirely of pavement park. Whenever practicable, turn on your parking lights. Kung makikita nyo yung mga nakaparada, lahat sila nasa gilid. Hindi nila sinakop yung highway. This is the proper parallel parking. Okay? Yung iba kasi nagpaparada, sinasakop itong highway. Okay? Yung kalahati ng sasakyan nasa highway. Okay? But it should not be. Okay? So, what are the prohibited parking places na yan? Okay? The parking prohibited in specified not places. Okay? Places Okay, no driver shall park a vehicle or permit it to stand whenever attended or unattended upon a highway in any of the following places. Okay, or and at any place where official signs have been erected prohibiting parking. So within an intersection, okay, on within an intersection, on a crosswalk, ito siya, wag kayong magparada dyan. Intersection, within 6 meters of the intersection or curb lines, within 4 meters of the driveway entrance to and the fire station, within 4 meters of the fire hydrant, in front of private driveway. Ito siya, driveway. And on the roadside of any vehicle stop or park at the curb edge of the highway, as you can see in the picture, and any place where official signs have been erected prohibiting parking. So these are the areas or places that are prohibited in parking. So that's all, and thank you, and God bless.